Hello and welcome back to Doz's Television Workshop. It's been a while, not for you but maybe for me, because as you can see the workshop bench has been very busy indeed with sort of commercial things, and I've also got about 4 different projects on the go at the moment, as you do. But one of them is being thwarted by this. This is featured on the channel numerous times. This is my PowerFix cordless work light thing, and this is its charger, and if we plug the charger in, red light comes on but doesn't charge. So I'm suspecting what's happened is I've left this on and it's gone and flattened the battery to a state where it doesn't want to charge back up again. According to the spec sheet on the back here, we've got one 3.7 volt 4000 milliampere hour lithium ion rechargeable battery, so that's going to be a single cell or maybe some cells in parallel. Yeah, so first things first, we're going to need to obtain the correct kind of screwdriver to get it apart. I'm looking for my little yellow handled one. No, wrong. Close. Could it be that one? It could be. Right, so yeah, we need to hang on a minute, what's that? We've got a DC input plug there. Let's just bypass the charger altogether, and hello. Well, the little red charge lights come on. Are we in for an extremely short video? Is it these contacts at the bottom of here? They don't look very good. This is going to be a non-video any minute now, isn't it? Let's clean that up with the old rubber eraser thing. In fact, where's that one? Yeah. A little fiberglass pencil on it. Just wondering if they're looking a bit tarnished and horrible. Does look a bit better. I was more bemoaning the loss of this the other day. I needed to use it and it wasn't having it. Right, let's just put that back in there. Still nothing. So we've got a fault with the charger, haven't we? And yet its little light is on. Don't object really to plugging it in, but it's nice to have the base, isn't it? So what's going on in here? Perhaps we should first do a little bit of a continuity check to see if we've got anything, because there's not going to be much in there other than the LED, surely. Or let's measure the voltage on the pins. Plug that in. So we've got a light on, so power's getting past there. A worrying thing, we've got voltage on those pins as well. Is it just the pins on the bottom of here have tarnished to within? They don't look very good. Trouble is, it does spend a lot of its time in the garage. Ah, would you look at that? It's charging. I have a red charging light. We have lights working. What a complete and utter non-video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.